In this video we will see how to patch the list items defined in YAML file. So before that, I just want to give the brief overview of how our general YAML file looks like. So generally we have like key value pairs in our YAML file. Like it looks like this: class colon grade1 is a key and there's a value. We have dictionary type. Like here, this student has two properties to it, name and age. So this is how the dictionary type looks like. And list, the example is like students are like Rob and John and their set of properties. Okay, in our last videos we saw how to do patching for key value pairs using common transformers and some more patching examples which we saw in our previous videos, in which we were patching dictionary type YAML declarations. But now in this we'll see how to patch list items. So we'll use the JSON patching approach. In next video we'll see how to patch the same list items using strategic one. So let's go to our solution, and here if we see, in our case we have this deployment object, and if we see here we have containers. Containers is, we can have n number of containers, right? So this is a list item. So if we want to modify properties of this one, then what we need to do is, in our customization, as we were like in our previous video we saw how to refer it using the file based patching approach. So here I have created this JSON file replica patch YAML, which I have referred here. Now let us go into this file and I'll show you the example. For example, I'm planning to replace the name of the Nginx file, Nginx container over here. Okay, so here this property is in like this hierarchy, right? Spec, templates, and in the templates it is in spec, and containers it is the first item. So that is how the path looks like. Operation I want to replace, it is in spec, templates, spec, containers, this first item. Okay, I want to patch the name and the Nginx image also, like we can give v1 here. Okay, so if I build this one now, here we see the containers image one, and it has also replaced the name of the container. So let's say if I want to do if I want to add new item, then I'll say add, and here this is, since this list item, we need to keep it like this because items are getting added in this fashion. I'll say like 2 and 2, right? Now let us build it. You see it has added one more list item here, right? Now let's see how can we remove. I want to remove item number 1, so we don't need this value. Now let me go ahead and build this. You see it has replaced and added and also removed. Okay, so this is how we do patching for the list items using JSON based approach. So in our next video we'll see how to do the same for using strategic based approach. Thank you for your time. See you in next video.